Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we'll make a ball bearing in Maya. So let's create that. Okay, go to create polygon primitives and sphere. W to move and move that in x-axis by 4. So go to channel box and in the translate x give it 4. Then we'll duplicate that in the circular way. So we need to set the axis manipulator to the center of grid. So go to sorry, for that click on the insert key and by pressing X and snap to the grid, and then insert key again, and then duplicate that by Control D and E to rotate, and J to snap it by 15 degree, but if we snap it to 30 degree it will look like this. Alright, so then click Shift D to repeat the duplicate, and that's it. We have got our balls here, and now we need to select them all and go to mesh and combine. Then go to create polygon primitives and add 5. Go to the input section here and the channel box, give the radius of 4, not 4, 3.5 maybe, or maybe 3, yeah, 3. So give it a height of 3. Actually not good, so give it a height of 4, and it's much better. Go to the subdivision axis, give it a 40, and I think we need to adjust the height a bit, so give it a 4.2 maybe, yeah. Then go to add selection mode by right click and add, or you can press your F10 button. So select that and shift double click on that, and shift click on that and shift double click on that, and go to edit mesh and bevel. So go to the bevel input here and give it a little fraction, maybe 0.3 or 0.2, yeah, 0.2 good. Then give the segment of 4, yeah. Go to add selection mode again, go to mesh tool and insert as loop tool option box, set it to equal and give the number 2, then click on that, that will snap in the middle. Now press R to scale, scale that to a little bit right there. Alright, so now go to face selection mode by right click and click on that, shift double click on that, shift click and shift double click on that one, and click Ctrl E to extrude to the thickness of 0.2 and adjust that 0.3 bigger, good enough, but we'll do 0.35. Okay, then again go to add selection mode, select that and shift double click on that, shift click and shift double click on that one, shift click and shift double click on that one, maybe there. Alright, and go to edit mesh and bevel and give it a thickness of 2, 4 maybe. Yeah, that's good. Go to object mode and click on that one, go to mesh and smooth. That will smooth our surface. So go to create again and polygon primitives and apply. Middle mouse drag and 5.5 maybe. Yeah, and give it a subdivision axis of 50 because that is a big area, and select that one, poly primitives, sorry, poly5, the height is 4.2, so keep the same height for that, 4.2, and go to add selection mode, select that and shift double click on that, again shift click and shift double click on that one, go to edit mesh and bevel, and the fraction is 0.2 and the segment is 4 or 5, whatever you want. Go to mesh tool and insert edge loop tool, and we have already set up the now just click on that one and again to scale that up in y-axis like that. Again we do the same here. Now we extrude that maybe 0.3, this time 0.4. Yeah, we go to add, double click on that. No, again give it a smooth. Alright, we've got our ball bearing, and now we just export all for keyshot. Okay, we're getting about ball bearing. Now we're in keyshot and import the file by go to file and import and select the ball bearing where it is. I'm sorry, ball bearing. There it is. Import that. That's it. Now go to the material and the metal. We just give the aluminum polish, and oh, I'm sorry, it's already assigned to all material. So go to the environment and the interior. Mm, yeah, set up this. You see, we already see it looking nice. So double click on that one, go to the roughness, uh, reduce the roughness. I'm sorry, give the roughness of 0.04 or maybe 0.2 is fine. 0.02. Now go to another environment and give it a backdrop. I think this should be backdrop, maybe good, and that's it. That's a login and just hit render, and with the presets of that which option we can maximize the samples and go to query, add job layer to render the image which is in here, and process query, and it start rendering. So I just pause my video until it fully rendered. Okay, and it's about to finish. Yeah, and it's finished, and that's my finished product. Hope you guys like that video. If you want more like this, let me know in the comment section, and see you guys next time.